How can IP strategy block your competitors defensively? Imagine you are in a race, but instead of running, you are competing in the world of business. The finish line is success, and the track is filled with competitors. How do you ensure you stay ahead? One powerful tool at your disposal is an intellectual property strategy. This strategy can act as a shield blocking competitors from encroaching on your territory. An intellectual property strategy creates legal barriers that prevent others from using your technology or brand. This involves careful planning and management of your intellectual property rights. By protecting your core innovations and brand identity, you restrict what your competitors can do, securing your position in the market. Let's start with patents. A solid defensive strategy often includes building a strong patent portfolio around your key technologies. One effective approach is the picket fence strategy. This means filing multiple patents not just on your main invention but also on surrounding improvements and variations. This creates a protective barrier, making it tough for competitors to develop similar technologies without infringing on your patents. Another tactic is identifying white spaces. These are areas where competitors have not yet filed patents. By filing patents in these areas, you can block competitors from expanding their portfolios and entering those spaces. This can force them to negotiate licenses or risk facing infringement lawsuits, limiting their options. Publishing enabled disclosures of improvements is another defensive tactic. By placing these ideas in the public domain, you prevent competitors from patenting those improvements themselves. This method is sometimes called inventing on top of yourself. It helps you maintain control over the innovation landscape. From the trademark perspective, defensive strategies focus on protecting your brand identity. Registering trademarks for your brand names, logos, and slogans gives you exclusive rights. This blocks others from using similar marks that could confuse consumers. By maintaining and enforcing these rights, you preserve customer loyalty and market differentiation. Developing an intellectual property strategy also means aligning your protections with your overall business goals. Conducting an intellectual property audit helps identify your core assets and understand the competitive landscape. This allows you to focus on protecting innovations and brands that are vital to your success. Practical applications of a defensive intellectual property strategy include filing continuation patents. This extends protection around key inventions, creating a fortress around your core intellectual property. Using trademarks can control distribution channels and customer relationships, limiting competitor access to your markets. You can also look for licensing opportunities to generate revenue while maintaining control over your intellectual property. Continuously monitoring competitor filings and market activity helps you identify potential threats and respond proactively. An effective defensive intellectual property strategy involves systematically securing and managing patents and trademarks. This blocks competitors from entering your innovation space or using your brand identity. By doing so, you protect your market position and enable sustainable business growth.